Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to show you one of my very disaster trade. People think that people like P R Sundar will always be making money. Don't worry, I'm also just like a normal human being, and sometimes I've made huge losses. And today I'm going to show one of my I can say one of my biggest losses. Hope this will make our trollers very happy. Because many times troller always say, sir, why are you showing only the profit? Why are you not showing the loss? And some people put it so diplomatically, sir, you show your loss so that we can learn something. You want to learn something from somebody's loss, by this time, everybody would have been an expert. And because wherever you go, you can see always people losing money in stock market. A statistic says 99% people lose money in stock market. Okay, now without wasting our time, so let me go. Just in order to cut down the time, I just kept all the things ready. This is my company account and futures and options, and this is a booked P&L. So you can see this is a booked P&L for this financial year 22-23. 22-23 is just only 1 month from April 1 till now. I have around 34,19,000, around 34 lakh rupees profit. This is one account where I'm maintaining with 5 paisa broker, and also I have another one where I have account with India Infoline. So there I'm going and seeing my F&O profit for this financial year, that is showing about 21 lakh. And I also do trade in one of Chennai based broker. There the profit is showing about 34 lakh. So 34 lakh plus 21 lakh plus 34 lakhs, the total coming around 90 lakh rupees. And I don't know how many of you can remember, my aim is to make at least 10 lakhs a month. So assuming 20 trading sessions per month. So my target is to make 2 crore per month. But this month I have made only 90 lakhs. So my profit target is missed by 1.1 crore. How that was missed? And I will tell you that. First, what happened? I had some long position in HDFC, and I thought of getting out of my stock positions, and I was waiting for a chance. And HDFC, I had future position, then sold 2400 call, but the price gone beyond 2400. I thought, why to carry future position? I squared off my future position. I converted that 2400 call into straddle by selling 2400 put option. The next day the news came, HDFC merged with HDFC Bank. HDFC shot up 15%, went up to 2950. Imagine I'm holding 2400 short straddle. Then I kept selling extra put options. Then from next day onwards, it was gap down, and every day it was moving 50 rupees, 100 rupees like that. I just could not manage. And though I was firefighting, and sometimes your firefighting means what is firefighting? If there is a fire, you go and pour the water, so the fire will come down. Sometimes in the name of firefighting, instead of putting water into the fire, by mistake we put petrol into the fire, so you get more fire. So sometimes in this firefighting, instead of reducing your loss, you actually increase the loss. So what I've done, I downloaded this data into Excel sheet, and I'm going to show you. I highlighted all my HDFC trades, and there are so many firefighting. And finally you look here, you look how much I lost. I lost 1 crore 31 lakh 85,828 rupees. I almost lost 1.32 crore. Had I not lost this 1.3 crore, my profit would have been 2.2 crore for last month. That is well above my target of 2 crore. Just imagine one single stock. Now, how can this HDFC can move from 2000 to 3000, again to 3000 to 2000? So we are bound to make losses no matter how much we do the firefighting. So this is a very big loss of around 1 crore 32 lakh rupees. Of course, I made about 1 lakh rupees profit in HDFC Bank. Then we can say put together in HDFC Twins, I lost about 1.31 crore. To look at this positive or negative, though I lost 1.3 crore, I still ended up making about 90 lakh rupees profit. So we have to be happy. So this kind of disasters is a part and parcel of trader's life. Even Jesse Livermore lost his entire fortune. Then who is P R Sundar? So that is one thing. Second thing, what we learn from these disasters. Number one, although I give a lot of suggestions, when it comes to stocks, I take very, very little positions. Somehow this time my position sizing has gone wrong, and you can check the quantities: 36,000, 21,000, 60,000, 51,000, 45,000, 81,000. My position sizing has gone very bad, and everything running into 200 lots, 200 lots, 300 lots. And then HDFC was moving violently all the way. Position sizing is very, very important. So somewhere my position sizing has gone wrong, and at that point of time, market will show its color only when you are least prepared. So when you make this kind of mistakes only, the stocks tend to move so violently, and this HDFC has moved too much violently because of this merger news. This is a part and parcel of life. Last week I told you I made 37 lakh rupees profit in Adani Enterprise. So here the final profit is showing only about 35 lakh rupees. Whatever profit I made only through Adani Enterprise. Whatever other things I've done, Nifty, Bank Nifty and many other things, all those profits were compensated by the loss in HDFC. There is always a complaint about P R Sundar. He never shows his last trade, and today I've shown this last trade, 1.31 crore. So let me see how many of my trollers are going to donate some money to me to compensate this loss. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.